Hi, I'm Benno H. from the mountain of Switzerland, and today we rebuild one of these assets what we have in this scene here. Now we built the Earth, what we can see here, and for that I have prepared download for you where you can find the textures what you need to build that, and so I show you that. So we switch us direct to TiXL. I quit here arena, so bye bye, and here we are, and I must change to this earth element. Here we are. So this is the earth what we have, but we must rebuild it a little bit better so we have a bit of skylarks and atmosphere and stuff like that. This is not the best way. In Blender you can do that very finer and better, but this is an easy way for first time what I want to show you here in TiXL, and it is enough as a background what we have needed in this TV scene before. I think so. Okay, let's do it. And the first what you have to do is to open your own project. Go to this when you start in Pixel, then you toggle this plus, give here project Project Earth, perhaps. Don't do things like okay. Don't do backslashes and things. Now you toggle create, and you got in your TiXL folder, in your document user folder, a folder like TiXL is there when you have after you have installed TiXL, and then you find in this TiXL folder a project folder with this project Earth, and therein you find a folder with the name resources, and there in this resource folder you put my assets in where you have downloaded. I hope so. So okay, now you opened your project, and you can start to do what I show you now. First, you must open a sphere mesh. For that, you can go in the library to meshes and to generate, and you select this sphere mesh. This is one possibility, and you got it. The other and easier possibility, what I prefer to do and what I do mostly in my tutorials, what I show you now, is that you toggle the top on your keyboard, and then you type in sphere or the start of sphere, and then you select the sphere mesh, and you got it, this node. This is a operator, but I told always nodes because node is a very widespread terminology, and so I speak about nodes when I speak with you in this tutorial. Okay, so I got it first before, and so I must look out. We need more than one. We started with this sphere in the middle here. Okay, then you have draw mesh, what it comes to next as a node, you can just take out a line of this point here, of this end point here. You take out a line and then you select the draw mesh node and you got it. So we are then here, and from here we want to make a texture to that, and to this we also go on this point here again, and we take out the line again, and then we select set material, and in this set material you have these parameters here. Look, where is my mouse? These parameters here, and in these parameters you toggle to the base color map, and when you toggle there you got it something like that here, and you select the load image node. So if you have selected node image node, you can toggle here and the directory switcher comes up. So you can switch through your directories to find the image what we need, and I want to show which one it is. I have to make a folder in my free asset folder where you put in the TiXL resources folder. You got this, and then you find this 8K YT image and texture PH folder. Go in of that, and then you find this image, and I believe the first what we need is this colorate map. It comes from NASA and this free stuff. You can use it everywhere you want, and you can use it also commercial in each way, I think so. I found that by YouTube tutorial about building a realistic Earth in Blender, and there it was the link to this NASA download link for this NASA stuff. So it's a drive, a Google Drive, I believe, so it was, where it was saved with a lot more images. So select the right image, and now we go back. This was what we needed, that I can show you this stuff, and here you can see the really right Earth color map 8K/scene.bh.png. That you must find over your selection. Okay, if you put it in that, you came to this result, and then you must transfer that a little bit. You must switch that a little bit, transforming a little bit, and you take the same as me here. This is not really important, I think so. Yes, it is just important because I put it in here that you can also do that like that. You can go up here, and if you toggle something here, you can select vector 3, like I do this in the point of the rotation. You toggle here, and then you select vector 3 in the selection down selection system where it comes up. So select this vector 3 and replace the same numbers like I have here. Look at here. The rest is the defaults. And then we came to the next transform. This transform, I use it to the rotation